My life has been feeling kind of all over the place lately. I haven't really been consistent with anything, not even my hair. So today, I'm not trying to fix everything. I just want to start somewhere. So I've been trying to make sure that every morning I make my bed right when I get out of it so I don't get back in it. And I move forward with picking up after myself. Say if it was something I did last night and I didn't have a chance to pick up anything, just going around and tidying up because having a clean space just makes you feel a whole lot better. And I've been being better at trying to keep the areas, especially my room, as clean as possible. As possible. So I've been just going through my daily life and thinking of the different things that I could do to contribute to my well being, my happiness, my health. And so, some of the things I've been trying to do is make sure that I do the dishes every day because sometimes the dishes just pile up, as you can see. And sometimes it just gets very overwhelming because there's so many things to do, having kids, having a full time job. There's just a lot to do. So today I'm just going to be focusing on my hair. So this is what it's looking like right now. And honestly, this is how I feel. My hair is just looking all over the place. I'm feeling all over the place. So today I'm going to work on focusing on some self-care with my hair routine. I'm not even doing anything special today. Just trying to take care of myself a little. Sometimes I really don't feel like doing my hair, but I knew if I didn't, I would feel worse. So, keeping up with my hair routine at least consistently on Saturdays makes me already feel better. All right, so I decided I'm gonna do my length check while I have the conditioner in since it's like easy to kind of like have it stretched out. So the last time I did my length check was December 7th. So I'm gonna do one today and I'm gonna try to focus on the same ones I did before. So I'm gonna get a piece here. And then I'm just gonna tell you guys, and you guys can look back at the video too where I did my limb check if you want to see in real time. But I'm just gonna tell you guys today what it is here and then what it was before. So I got 10 inches on this left side. So my back left was 9 inches. So today I have it at 10 inches. Okay, so it's about 9.5 inches. So that grew also an inch too. And then for this side right, yeah, so it looks like it's either 9 right there, but up here, it's about 9.5. And I don't know if I'm measuring the exact same areas of my hair that have always been measuring. So it looks like, oh, I have it on the wrong side. So it's like 7 to fall. That's not right. Okay. So it looks about 10. And about 10 inches on this side. And then the front middle, let's see. So this is about 11 inches. Okay. So I'm just going to continue my wash day. I'm going to put a cap on and sit under the hooded dryer. And while I'm sitting on the hooded dryer, I am going to be sipping my tea that I made, which I don't know what happened to it. So here's the tea I made. It's like a green tea and I put some honey in it. So while I sit under the hooded dryer, I usually am on my phone playing like a game like Words with Friends or something to help the time go by. But in this video, I think I might just have this be, you might get shots of me sitting here under my blow dryer, and I'm just going to tell you guys kind of more things about
how I've been kind of like struggling with getting back into the swing of everything, because you guys saw I haven't been posting videos and stuff. And getting back into like all the things. So I'm gonna, and we'll see. All right, so here's how my hair looks. Freshly washed, no products. Just rinse the conditioner out.
So as I finish up my hair for today, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be adding more things for my journey of like getting my life together to my channel. So it's going to be more than just hair growth tutorials for hairstyles and tracking. I'm going to start getting into doing better with my fitness. So I'm going to be doing some 30-day challenges. I'm also going to be talking about how I'm working on my small business that I have and how I'm trying to maintain that. I'm also trying to make sure that I'm like keeping the house together, like I was saying before early in the video, trying to stay on top of doing the dishes every day. So I just want you guys to know that that's going to be up and coming. So if you guys are interested, let me know down in the comments. If you guys are interested in seeing like my skincare routine, that's going to be coming up as well. All right, you guys, so stay tuned for my weekly updates that I'm going to be doing to show you how well I am doing at trying to be more consistent with the things I mentioned in this video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in seeing how I did this hairstyle, I will be posting the tutorial for this hairstyle shortly. Take care, stay blessed. See you guys next time.